Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Connecting your EXNESS account to TRADINGVIEW is easier than you might think, and it gives you access to professional charting tools that'll level up your trading game. Step 1. First, you'll need to log into your EXNESS account and navigate to the Settings or Integrations section. Look for any options related to third-party connections or API access. Make sure your account is fully verified before proceeding, as this is required by most brokers. Step 2. Next, head over to TradingView and create an account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, go to your account settings and find the Broker Connections section. You'll want to search specifically for EXNESS in their list of supported brokers. Step 3. In TradingView, you'll need to authorize the connection by clicking the Connect button next to EXNESS. This will open a window that redirects you to EXNESS, where you'll need to approve the access. Make sure you review what permissions TradingView is requesting before confirming. Step 4. After authorization, TradingView will sync your trading data and account information from EXNESS. You can now place trades directly from TradingView charts without switching between platforms. Your account balance and open positions will display in real time. Step 5. Finally, take some time to customize your TradingView workspace with your preferred charts, indicators, and layouts. Once everything is set up properly, you'll have a seamless trading experience with real-time data from EXNESS flowing directly into your analysis platform. Test it out with a small trade to make sure everything is working correctly.